a student, Madurai Kamaraj University.
Today lesson, student will understand the atmosphere layer of the earth, the structure of the earth, movement, revolution, rotation and the solar system. The sun, the moon and all other objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies have their own heat and light which they emit in large amount are called stars. Our solar system is a part of galaxy called the Milky Way. The sun is the star close to the earth, 1,300,000 times larger than the earth. The sun is a gaseous nebula emitting light and heat. Nuclear fission is the source of energy in the sun. Now we see the planets are their celestial body revolving around the sun, and there are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that we know can support life. And the third nearest planet to the sun is our Earth. Earth is only the 5th largest planet in the solar system. It is the only world in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. Now we see the movements of the Earth. The Earth is 23.4 degree till on its axis, and this make an angle of 63.5 degree with this plane. Rotation. The Earth continuously rotates on its axis from west to east. This movement is known as rotation. It is responsible for the cycle of day and night on it. Earth takes approximately 24 hours to complete one cycle, one rotation. The Earth's revolute around the Sun is a slightly elliptical orbit called a revolution. The Earth takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. The extra 0.25 days each year become one complete day after every 4 years. So, a complete day is added after every 4 years, and that year is called as leap year. And the Earth is this orbit at the greatest distance from the Sun it is at its aphelion. Structure of the Earth, it is divided into 5 different layers: inner core, outer core, lower mantle, upper mantle crust. Now we see the layer of the Earth atmosphere. The Earth atmosphere is the layer of the gases which photosis of the Earth and the rotation and cosmic layer coming from the outer space. This atmosphere acts as blanket because it keeps the average temperature of the Earth nearly constant. The Earth atmosphere can be divided into 5 main layers. The troposphere is the lowest layer of Earth atmosphere. Most of the mass of the atmosphere in the troposphere. Most of type of cloud are found here, and most all weather occur within this layer. Troposphere is the second layer of the atmosphere of the Earth. It contains much of the ozone in the atmosphere. Ozone protects the Earth from the sun, which is found in astrosphere. Third number is mesosphere. The mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere. It is the closest atmospheric layer surrounding the Earth. Most meteors occur in Earth's mesosphere, about 50 to 80 km. The thermosphere is the home of space station. And that layer absorbs the sun radiation, X-ray and some ultraviolet rays. And thermosphere put on the aurora, a dazzling light show. Exosphere is the planet's 5th most distant layer of the atmosphere, and the number of man-made satellites orbit the Earth.